Capri Island is an island located in the Tyrrhenian Sea of the Sorrento Peninsula on the south side of the Gulf of Naples in the Campania region of Italy. The main town of Capri that is located on the island shares the name. It has been a resort since
Looking up from the window where I stayed in this hotel just across from the harbor,
some of the
it
main
has a
features
very
of island
big
the marina,
looking like a palace just on the other side.
the
It
velvet
looked like very
of
ancient.
Tragara,
I had a great time
the
at this
limestone
place.
cracks
I can't
coves
remember
with
the name
stacks
of
that
this
were
hotel.
such a beautiful scene.
Excellent service just
Town
across
of
from the harbor.
Capri, the blue building, the
You can
ruins
see
of
the mini castles just inside the window.
and the vistas of
It's
various
crazy.
towns around the island.
It's beautiful.
Including Positano, Amalfi, Ravelli, Sorrento, Milano, and Naples. Capri is part of the region of Campania, metropolitan city.
I'm so tired in this
Capri
photo.
is a
Not getting much sleep because we've been chasing the rides and trying to get nice, trying to get a ticket. Everything is chaotic over here at the Naples, trying to buy a ticket. They're unorganized over there, so I hope you all can manage to getting in line and buying a ticket is not easy. Getting into the cave right now.
The island has been inhabited
Look at all
since
this
early
beautiful
times. Evidence of
view.
human settlement was discovered during the Roman era, according to Suetonius, when the foundation for the villa of Augustus were being excavated. Giant bones and weapons of stones were discovered. The emperor ordered this to be displayed in the garden of his main residence, the sea palace. At Capri, the monstrous bones of huge sea monsters and wild beasts called the bone of the giants, and the weapons of the heroes. Modern excavation has shown that human presence on the island can be dated to the Neolithic and the Bronze Age. Augustus developed Capri. He built temples, villas, aqueducts, and planted gardens so he could enjoy his private paradise. In his Aeneid, Virgil states that the island had been populated by the Greek people of Chrystal. Coming from the Ionian island, Strabo says that in the ancient times of Capri there were two towns, later reduced to one. The Citus records that there were 12 imperial villas in Capri. Ruins of one at the Tragara could still be seen in the 19th century. Augustus' successors, Tiberius, built a series of villas of Capri, the most famous of which is the Villa Jovis, one of the best preserved Roman villas in Italy. In 27 AD, Tiberius permanently moved to Capri, running the empire from there until his death in 37 AD. In 182 AD, the emperor of Commodus banished his sister Lucilla to Capri. She was executed shortly afterwards. Capri is also set in the blue waters of Italy's Tyrrhenian Sea in the Bay of Naples, just
Things to do in Capri
Peninsula.
There are plenty of places to eat
on the beach, and also gorgeous town. Lots of beautiful greenery everywhere, and also it is truly remarkable how many wonderful sights there are on this Mediterranean island, from the natural beauty such as the Grotta Azzurra and the Arco Natural to scenic view.
I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you all for watching.